Most people get stuck thinking the Walmart app is broken forever when it freezes. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in most cases, it's not the app that's the real problem, it's your phone, settings, or cache data causing the issue. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Walmart app freezing issue in 2026 is usually caused by three things: outdated app versions, overloaded cache, or unstable internet switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix the Walmart app freezing step by step. No tech skills needed. And by the end, your app will feel smooth again so you can shop, scan, and check out without frustration. Let's start with the fastest fix. First, close the Walmart app completely. Not just minimize it. Swipe it away from your recent apps. Then reopen it. This alone fixes minor freezing for users like Alex, who just had a temporary glitch. But here's the problem. If it keeps freezing, the issue is deeper. Next, check your internet. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around. A weak or unstable connection can make the app hang on loading screens. Jake noticed his app only froze at home, and it turned out his router was the issue, not Walmart. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The biggest hidden fix is clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Walmart, Storage, and Clear Cache. On iPhone, you'll need to offload the app and reinstall it. This removes corrupted temporary files that often cause freezing. If the app still freezes, update it. Go to the App Store or Google Play and check for updates. Walmart frequently releases patches, and running an older version can cause performance issues. Another step most people miss is checking storage space. If your phone is almost full, apps slow down or freeze. Try deleting unused files or apps to free space. Finally, restart your phone. It sounds simple, but it resets background processes that may be interfering with the app. If you follow these steps in order, the Walmart app freezing issue usually disappears completely. To summarize, restart the app, check your internet, clear cache, update the app, free storage, and restart your device. These 6 steps solve most freezing problems in 2026. If this helped, like the video, comment what issue you were facing, and subscribe for more simple Walmart app fixes and guides. You'll save time, avoid frustration, and shop without interruptions.